sector of the day is sugar stocks, and they recovered in trade after the Petroleum and Natural Gas Secretary met with the Sugar Mills Association over ethanol production, following the government's move to curb the use of sugarcane juice to produce ethanol in the 2023-24 season. In fact, the ISMA president told CNBC-TV18 before market close that sugar production is in full flow and a positive outcome is expected. Manisha is here to decode the story. Manisha, what are you picking up?
Well, thank you for that. What we do understand is that the Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry, the Secy, has had a meeting with the three OMCs and the sugar sector as well, and assured them that they would be listening to that. We do know that a second review would happen in January, but even before that, with the kind of conversations and with the kind of concerns that the sugar as an industry has in the peak of crushing season is something that the relevant ministries are trying to talk about. We also do know via sources that also is a PMO meeting slated for 5 p.m. tomorrow to also ensure that the ethanol supplies do not suffer and the mills continue to work with a higher capacity. The concern is that nearly 25% of ethanol production comes in from cane or syrup, and that has been banned with immediate effect. So what the industry is looking or seeking clarity on is, one, will there be new tenders that would be coming in? The tenders that have been picked in, would that stuff be picked up? Also, when you talk about immediate effect, the industry cannot shut down or start immediately. So there is a bit of a lag to that. And a lot of industry representatives tell us that the capacity that many of these sugar mills are working is anywhere between 30 to 40%. But the big plus is that there are these meetings happening. The government is listening to sugar as an industry, and a lot of suggestions are being put forth. And some of them actually could be taken in as well, and that is the kind of positivity that you are seeing into the markets right now. The other thing that the industry is wanting to do right now is look for an increase in ethanol prices. If that comes through, that also would be a positive. That has been in waiting for some time, and that is in anticipation that you have seen some positivity come into the markets yet again.
Okay, we should know by tomorrow, Manisha?
It does look like, if if it doesn't happen by tomorrow morning, then the PMO meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. is expected to come out with some concrete statements there.
Got it. Thanks very much for that. I mean, Hemang, you want to just weigh in? So it's like, we don't know, right? There could be some relief. There couldn't be. It's possible that nothing happens, but